everyone, it's Miss Wright here. So this is your Book Above Pay Grade, Lesson 2 for Week 1 of Term 5. And here are your reading vipers. So question 1 is retrieval. True or false? George put 1 spoon of sugar in Grandma's tea. Inference. How do you think George feels being bossed around by Grandma? V for vocabulary. Find and copy one word which means get. So I want you to listen out when I'm reading and write down your vipers at the same time. Okay, so the questions are all on this page that I'm going to read you. So what I'd like you to do is listen out for the questions as I'm reading and write them down. Then I'll ask you to pause the video just to check your answers, and then I'll tell you the answers at the end. George went into the kitchen and made Grandma a cup of tea with a tea bag. He put 1 spoon of sugar in it and no milk. He stirred the sugar well and carried the cup into the living room. Grandma sipped the tea. "It's not sweet enough," she said. "Put more sugar in." George took the cup back to the kitchen and added another spoonful of sugar. He stirred it again and carried it carefully into Grandma. "Where's the saucer?" she said. "I won't have a cup without a saucer." George fetched her a saucer. That's the end of my reading. A saucer is the plate that the cup sits on. Some people drink from a cup and a saucer, which is the plate that goes underneath. Okay, so now I want you to pause the video, write down your answers to the vipers, and then I am going to share the answers with you. Okay, pause now. I hope you paused the video. I'm trusting you, Year 2. Okay, so here are the answers. Okay, so the answer to question 1, retrieval, was it's true. The answer to question 2, inference. This is my answer, but you could have your own inference answer of how George felt, as long as you explain why using the word because. So mine says, George felt exhausted being bossed around because Grandma was very demanding. You might have said George felt upset, George felt tired, George felt used by Grandma, George felt tired, and as long as you explain it using the word because, that's fine. And the last viper was find and copy a word that means get, and the word was fetched. I hope you guys had a good go at reading and listening to the answers. See you next week. Bye.